Introducing the Orion CB65C, a 6.5-inch, two-way component speaker system designed to redefine your in-car audio experience. Precision engineered, the CB65C includes a silk dome tweeter and dedicated crossover, delivering crystal clear highs and perfect frequency distribution for unparalleled sound quality. With 280 watts of peak power, the CB65C brings your music to life, delivering dynamic, immersive audio that captivates with every note. The injection-molded polypropylene cone ensures balanced, distortion-free sound, while the butyl rubber surround enhances durability and reliable performance, even at high volumes. Designed specifically for true audio enthusiasts, the CB65C's crossover optimizes every frequency, producing deep bass, rich mids, and silky highs for a flawless listening experience. With a custom acrylonitrile Batadian styrene ABS basket for durability and a clean professional look, while the included matching grills protect the speakers and enhance vehicle aesthetics. With a frequency response of 75 Hz to 20 kHz, 88 decibel sensitivity and 4 ohm impedance, the CB65C conveys every detail of your music with power and precision. Elevate your car audio with the Orion CB65C, precision, power, and performance. Available now to transform your sound system. Sold in pairs, Orion IMPP.